Gillow was this furniture maker who was based in Lancaster, and you'll see his furniture, his mahogany in particular, all over the world, but also here in Lancaster. So we have this guy who on the surface is a cabinet maker, but a political ecologist, and what we do is we start to ask about, well, where does that mahogany come from? What were the conditions under which mahogany was produced? And if you do that, then you start to unlock the world of mahogany plantations. Mahogany plantations found in different parts of the world, but particularly the Caribbean. And this opens up in turn a number of big issues for political ecology. There's issues here clearly linked to the slave trade. So we have instances all over Lancaster of the slave trade being visible in the buildings that we see, in the monuments that we see it sometimes in the street signs, and we see it, of course, in the furniture and mahogany. There used to be a pub in Lancaster called the Robert Gillow. That pub's changed its name. There's a famous slave trader from a local area, Rawlinson, who has a gravestone which has been defaced. So as society is kind of waking up to the legacies of slavery in the UK and challenging some of those legacies and asking what does it mean for the present, we're seeing actually existing kind of reminders of that right here in Lancaster. So to be able as a student to go out and see these kinds of reminders in the street names, on the gravestones, in the furniture, in mahogany, is a really amazing thing, because it really kind of it brings political ecology to life. You know, right down to even going to the student nightclub. There's a student nightclub called Sugar House, and even that simple name reminds us that, you know, Lancaster was this centre for the trade of commodities, which were heavily associated with the slave trade.